Hi, this is Carla with WTI. Now, I love my Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. This is an amazing micellar water because it really removes my makeup very well. And I like the size of this because I can use it on the go or when I'm traveling. I don't like to carry like my whole skincare routine, like the whole big bottle size, and this fits easily in my purse, in my bag, or anywhere. And I like this because it removes my makeup gently as well. I don't have to do any harsh rubbing to really get everything out. You don't have to rinse it out, and my skin just feels fresh, and I can be sure that it's going to remove all my makeup well, even waterproof makeup. So if you're looking for a micellar cleansing water that you want to make sure that's going to remove all your makeup well, I highly recommend the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, and that is my point of view.